Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious homemade donuts. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1.5 cups of lukewarm milk and 4.5 teaspoons of active dry yeast. Also, have ready 6 tablespoons of sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and 1 teaspoon of freshly grated nutmeg. Don't forget 1 stick of unsalted butter, 3 large eggs at room temperature, and 5 cups of all-purpose flour. Having everything measured out makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get our dough started. In a stand mixer, combine the lukewarm milk, softened butter, active yeast, eggs, sugar, salt, nutmeg, and 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Beat this mixture for about 2 to 3 minutes to form a soft, sticky sponge. Then, slowly incorporate the remaining flour and knead for an additional 3 minutes until your dough is wonderfully soft. Cover the bowl and let it rise in a warm place for about 1.5 hours, or until it has doubled in volume. With your dough beautifully risen, it's time to prepare for frying. Gently roll the dough out onto a lightly floured surface to a thickness of about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch. Use a donut cutter to create your shapes, then place them on floured baking sheets for a second rise, lasting 45 to 60 minutes. Heat about 2 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pan to 330 to 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry the donuts for 45 to 60 seconds per side until they achieve a lovely golden brown color. The final step is creating that irresistible glaze. In a bowl, whisk together 3 cups of powdered sugar, 5 tablespoons of water, and 1 to 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract until smooth. You can adjust the consistency by adding a few drops more water for a thinner glaze or a tablespoon of powdered sugar for a thicker one. While your donuts are still warm, dip each one into the glaze, ensuring an even coating. Place them on a wire rack to set slightly. Then serve your homemade donuts immediately for the ultimate fresh and delicious treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.